Right, this is question 9, and I've copied down the product moment correlation coefficient formulas from the formula book. Okay, there they are. And what they're asking us to do is show your working clearly and calculate the product moment correlation coefficient. The other thing I've done to save time is to put in all these figures into my calculator and pressed the 2 variable, and I've just checked the setup for 2 variables is list 1 is the x, list 2 is the y, and the frequency is 1. So then I press calc 2 variable and it gives me my various means and bits and pieces. So now I can shove in, I'm going to put it into the last one, this one, because I don't have this information and I'll just have to do that calculation separately. So this is the one that actually has bits and pieces. So that first bit, the sum of x1, y1, actually you have to go down through your calculator and you get to the point of sum of x, y. And I've got that number as being 5, hopefully you have too, 6076. Then I'm going to take away, so I've got to go to the top now, the sum of x, which is 773, times the sum of y, which is 724, all over 10. It's my top line. Then I've got the square root of the sum of the x squareds, so I've got 60475, minus the sum of x, which is 773, all squared over 10. And then I'm going to have the sum of the y's, so squared, which is 53122, minus 724 squared over 10. And that, believe it or not, ends up giving me an answer for R, which is 0.155357. So that's quite a thing, but it gives you 5 marks, which is really quite useful. And then the next bit is the product moment correlation coefficient between the skills assessment and performance after 1 year is that, which is negative, very similar but negative. So they're both weak correlations. So you need to comment, so both weak correlations. One is positive, the other negative. Okay, so we would probably say, because they're weak, neither are good indicators for future performance, because there's not a great correlation. However, in the interview test is slightly better as it's positive.